Hi there, welcome back. First of all, we need to create a new document. I create a A4 size landscape and choose RGB color and create. Now press T and click here. Choose your favorite font. I choose the Pirata one. Now we make it little bit bigger, center line. Change the color to light gray and go to Effect, 3D, Extrude and Bevels. 12, 6 and 5 and little bit increase the depth 10 point like this. Okay, hit OK. Now go to object and expand appearance and right click to ungroup. Once more right click to ungroup. So please select this all gray, light gray area in font like this. Now we go to object, path and offset path. So I put minus 7.5. Okay, this look good. Hit OK. Now press I and select this shadow here. Now we need to straight the font, so Ctrl plus R to ruler and like this. Please select check with this lock. Now select all, right click, transform, share. So increase the angle like this. Okay, 3 is perfect. Hit OK. Check it out and delete. So now our text is almost ready. Select all and go to export selection like this. Rename and export assets. Remember, choose PNG and 300 ppi. Then export asset. Now we need to open a Photoshop and create a new file. I choose A4 landscape and RGB is alright and create. So we need to import the file. Here is our image and make it center. Now we need to create this layer to convert to smart object. So right click and convert to smart object. We need to change background. For click here, go to solid color. Okay, choose your background color. Now we need to hue and saturation for change to color this. Now we select hue and saturation and press Alt to clipping mask like this and select checkbox here, colorize. Okay, I choose this. For now we create one more layer. For select this area little bit darker. So once more we need to hue and saturation, then click Alt with, press Alt and click here to clipping mask. So we need to this selection. I select to magic wand tool here and click, press shift key in keyboard like this and select all the areas of shadow. Okay, our selection is ready. Now click here in mask layer. Now press Alt plus backspace. Now we change the value. So we need to invert the layer. Now Ctrl plus D to deselect this and now click here and press Ctrl I. Now we need to create some shadows of this font. We need to create this duplicate layer. So create Ctrl plus J, and this is the duplicate, our duplicate. So selection, press with shift and arrow button to like this down here. Okay, we need to convert this layer to rasterize, so right click and rasterize it. Now control and click, alt plus backspace to black. Remember this is a black and white. Now press Ctrl plus D to deselect. I need to decrease the opacity in this layer. Now create a mask, press B, choose the brush. Now we need to shadow out this. So here is the 0. Click, press shift and click. So our text effect is ready. So now I gonna use this text effect in my design. So here is my design process. I change speed to 3 or 5x.